Hi, good morning. This is Samir Pradhan from Control Trends India, and I am at the ACREX 2016 show, and with me is Mr. Hariharan, uh, who is an HVAC consultant, but has been largely in both the domains, the commercial real estate as well as data centers. So, welcome, Hari sir.
Thank you.
You have been around for a very long time in the controls industry and the HVAC, and you have been incorporating controls for a very, very long time. So, can we get to know about you and what your company does?
I'm an air conditioning consultant who's been working in the field of consultancy specifically for the last 15 years. Prior to that, I've been working on the contracting side of the business. Being that gives me an opportunity to understand both sides of the business, the actual contracting side of the business as well as what actually happens on the consulting side of the business. I've been a consultant and I worked on a lot of projects which vary between small 3,000 square feet footprint projects to projects which are large in terms of square feet area. In terms of power densities, the largest project that we are working on today is about 20 megawatts of power.
Wow.
And that is the data center that we have worked, and we are working on similar data centers. Data center is going to be one of the fast-moving businesses
Key
in
drivers,
India.
yes.
Drivers,
Yep,
key drivers
yep,
of
yep,
air conditioning
yep,
business
yes.
in India in the near future because of various trends which are happening in the market scenario. So I think that is where I thought it was a good idea to catch up with Control Trends as a exhibitor here,
yeah.
and that's how I'm here.
Sure, great. Ms. Hari sir, we have on the CICC booth. We have a lot of open systems. You had a quick chat with Chris Ryan
Yeah.
of Linkspring. So, how do you see this? How do you see these systems in terms of their openness and stuff?
One of the challenges that I've been constantly facing, and which has been common across all the projects that we have seen, is how systems talk to each other, how various control systems talk to each other. The challenge is to have the BMS actually working, and BMS platforms and the platforms that the various control systems operate on. The protocols vary, the language they talk to vary,
Absolutely.
and that has been a constant challenge. And one of the important things that I understood from speaking to Chris is that the Niagara platform that they're offering and also whatever they're developing as a new controller,
Yeah.
it is the openness of how the various control equipment talk to each other.
Yes.
And that I think is going to be one of the most exciting things that I, as a consultant, look forward to. Primarily because it cuts down a lot of uncertainties.
Yes. Yes.
And uncertainty is something that a client hates. And as a consultant, I am supposed to remove that uncertainty. We have been successful, sometimes we have been unsuccessful. But I think with something like this, we will have a good opportunity to deliver what the client wants, both from a consultant's perspective as well as a...
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good perspective. I would like to have a quick impression that you would have formed on Control Trends and the initiatives Control Trends is taking, in terms of promoting people, products, technologies. How do you see this initiative?
Yeah. Early on when Samir called me, when you called me, one of the things that I mentioned and which I keep talking to various people about is how manpower training is a very important part of how the industry is going to survive.
Yes.
And how it is going to grow, and how it is going to give confidence to the end user that what is being designed is what they're going to get.
Absolutely.
One of the major things that defines or which is going to decide the success of a control system is the last man on the field who is going to actually implement whatever control that has been designed,
Correct.
how it has been intended to work. And one of the challenges that has been constantly coming up is the the knowledge or the skill sets of the person who's doing it. I was mentioning to Chris just now that I'm sure that all of the systems that are developed, various platforms that are developed, they are very robust. They are very, there is a lot of, there are a lot of ability.
Yes.
You expect that I am sure that they have built in a lot of good things into it.
Yes.
But the person who is operating on one platform and the person who is on the other side of that
Yes.
platform,
Yeah.
if they don't understand each other's language,
Yes.
I
Then
think
you
that
have
is where the biggest challenge
Yes,
is. And
yes.
if there can be, and which I think Control Trends intends to do, if there can be some, skill development.
Yes.
And
Precisely.
India today talks about skill development as a core requirement of the country.
Yes.
And controls is one place where I think there is a lot of opportunity there.
Absolutely.
And I think Control Trends, I look forward to working with Control Trends to get that going.
Super. So skill development, open systems is the mantra for going ahead. If you were to do a small restaurant or expanding into a smart city. So thanks a lot, Hari Saab, for being with
It's a
us
pleasure.
and being so nice and sparing time from your
It's a
busy
pleasure,
schedule.
Sameer.
Thanks so
I
much.
look forward to working with you.
Thanks so much.